We all crave that feeling of being fully charged and ready to tackle the day, don't we? But with our jam-packed schedules, finding time for healthy meals often feels like an Olympic sport. I get it. Juggling work, family, and a social life can leave you reaching for takeout menus more often than you'd like. But here's the thing, eating nutritious food doesn't have to be a time-consuming ordeal. That's why I'm so excited to share 5 of my favorite quick and easy recipes that are perfect for busy individuals and families on the go. These recipes are packed with flavor and nutrients, and the best part, they can all be whipped up in under 30 minutes. So ditch those greasy takeout containers and let's get cooking. Quinoa, my friends, is a true superfood. It's not just a trendy grain, it's a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with protein, fiber and iron, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to eat healthier. This makes it the perfect base for a quick and healthy meal that can be whipped up in no time. This recipe is incredibly versatile. Feel free to use whatever veggies you have on hand. The more colorful, the better. You'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of quinoa. Make sure to rinse it well to remove any bitterness. 2 cups of vegetable broth, which will add a rich flavor to the quinoa. 1 cup of chopped vegetables. You can use broccoli, carrots, peppers, or any of your favorites. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings will enhance the natural flavors. Step 1, heat the olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat until it shimmers. Step 2, add the quinoa and toast it for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent burning. Step 3, pour in the vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Step 4, while the quinoa is cooking, saute the vegetables in a separate pan with a little olive oil until they are tender crisp. Step 5, fluff the quinoa with a fork to separate the grains, then stir in the cooked vegetables. Step 6, finally season with salt and pepper to taste, and there you have it, a delicious and nutritious speedy veggie quinoa dish ready to enjoy. Now, let's talk protein. If you're looking to add a little more staying power to your quinoa bowl, simply toss in some cooked tofu or chicken. Cube firm tofu and marinate it in your favorite sauce. Teriyaki or peanut sauce are delicious choices. Saute the tofu until golden brown and crispy, then add it to the quinoa along with the veggies. Dice cooked chicken breast and toss it with a bit of soy sauce and sesame oil. Heat the chicken through in a pan, then add it to your quinoa creation. See? Easy peasy. And the best part is you can customize this recipe to your liking. Get creative and make it your own. Tuna salad gets a major upgrade in this recipe. Creamy avocado replaces the mayo, making it a healthy and satisfying lunch or light dinner option. 1 can, 5 ounces tuna, drained, 1 ripe avocado mashed, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 1/4 cup chopped celery, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro, juice of 1/2 lime, salt and pepper to taste. 1. In a medium bowl, combine the tuna, mashed avocado, red onion, celery, cilantro, and lime juice. 2. Stir gently to combine. 3. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve this delightful salad on a bed of mixed greens for a refreshing and flavorful meal. Section 5, Recipe 3, Garlic Butter Shrimp, a touch of elegance. Don't let the simplicity of this recipe fool you, it's bursting with flavor. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or an impressive meal for guests. Garlic butter shrimp is a classic for a reason, and this version is ready in a flash. With just a few ingredients and minimal prep time, you can create a restaurant-quality dish at home. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 4 tablespoons butter, 4 cloves garlic, minced. These simple ingredients come together to create a rich and savory flavor profile. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. The parsley adds a fresh, herbaceous note, while the lemon juice provides a bright, tangy contrast. Salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the shrimp and garlic butter sauce. 1. Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. The butter should be fully melted and starting to bubble before you move to the next step. 2. Add the garlic and cook for 1 minute or until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter. 3. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until pink and cooked through. The shrimp should be opaque and slightly firm to the touch. 4. Stir in the parsley and lemon juice. This step adds a burst of freshness and acidity that balances the richness of the butter. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference, ensuring the flavors are well balanced. Garnish with additional parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra burst of flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy this elegant yet simple dish that is sure to impress. Section 6, Recipe 4, Chickpea and Spinach Curry, exotic aromas in minutes. This fragrant curry is a true weeknight winner. It's not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. It's packed with plant-based protein and fiber, making it a nutritious choice for any meal. And the best part is, it comes together in a single pot, which means less cleanup for you. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 inch ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and for a bit of heat, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. You'll also need 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Don't forget 1 cup of fresh spinach, chopped. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. 1. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat until it's shimmering. 2. Add the chopped onion and cook for about 5 minutes or until it's softened and translucent. 3. Stir in the minced garlic, grated ginger, curry powder, turmeric, and cayenne pepper if using. Cook for 1 minute more, allowing the spices to release their aromas. 4. Add the diced tomatoes, chickpeas, and vegetable broth to the pot. Stir everything together to combine. 5. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. 6. Stir in the chopped spinach and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the spinach has wilted and is well incorporated into the curry. 7. Finally, season the curry with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a final stir to ensure everything is well mixed. Serve your chickpea and spinach curry hot, garnished with fresh herbs if desired. Enjoy this delightful and healthy meal with your family or friends. Section 7, Recipe 5, Zucchini Noodles with Pesto. A garden delight. Craving pasta but trying to eat healthier? Zucchini noodles are the answer. They're a low-carb, gluten-free alternative to traditional pasta, and they soak up flavors beautifully. 2 medium zucchini, spiralized or cut into noodles, 1/4 cup prepared pesto, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. 2. Add the zucchini noodles and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until tender crisp. 3. Toss with pesto and Parmesan cheese. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Top with cherry tomatoes and toasted pine nuts for a restaurant-worthy dish. Section 8. Mastering Meal Prep. Tips for busy bees. I know what you're thinking, Rachel. I love these recipes, but who has time to cook every single night? And you know what? You're right. That's why meal prepping is your secret weapon. Sunday Fun Day. Dedicate a couple of hours on Sunday to prepping ingredients for the week. Chop veggies, cook quinoa or grains, and store them in airtight containers in the fridge. Double duty. When you do cook, double the recipe. Leftovers are a busy person's best friend. Pack them for lunch or enjoy them for a quick dinner later in the week. Freeze your assets. Did you know you can freeze soups, stews, and even quinoa bowls? Portion them out in freezer-safe containers for those nights when you're really in a pinch. Section 9. Health benefits, a rainbow on your plate. These recipes aren't just delicious, they're good for you too. We're talking about a whole lot of goodness. Lean proteins. From shrimp and chicken to tofu and chickpeas, these recipes provide plenty of protein to keep you feeling full and energized. Fiber power, quinoa, veggies, and beans are all excellent sources of fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Vitamin and mineral boost. We've got a rainbow of colorful fruits and veggies in these recipes, which means you're getting a healthy dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Section 10. Conclusion. Bon appetit from my kitchen to yours. So there you have it. 5 quick, easy, and delicious recipes that will nourish your body and fuel your busy life. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning and these simple recipes, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals, even on the busiest of days. Section 11, Call to Action. Join the culinary adventure. What are your go-to quick and healthy meals? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. Happy cooking!